You ask, we're about to answer.
Answering your 6 most common questions in the home improvement industry. I'm Sean Keefe, co-CEO of WinChoice.
I'm Morgan Wiles, and I almost went ahead of him because I'm so excited.
And he's not humble. First question, can I install my own windows?
Absolutely, Sean. I mean, you can build your own house, you can build your own car, you can do anything you want, but I would advise against it because you probably wouldn't have warranties on any of that.
Second, do I need to replace all my windows at once? Theoretically, no, but ideally, if you can, you definitely should, because you're gonna get the most energy efficiency out of your home as possible. You know, if you can only do 1 or 2, that's totally fine. We'll help you with whatever you need. Number 3, will new windows really lower my energy bill?
New windows will lower your energy bills if they're installed properly. You can take the best window in America and install it the improper way, and you're not gonna save a penny. If your product is installed properly, our customers, testimony after testimony after testimony, have said they save money and they're more comfortable in their homes.
Number 4, where are you located and where are your windows made? Our windows are made right here in the heart of the U.S. Me and Morgan brought our company back to our hometown in Mountain Pine, Arkansas, and the factory's right here by our office. So if you're seeing this right now, we most likely have a service location in your area. I need new windows, where do I start?
I might be biased, but personally, I'm going to winchoice.com. Get a no obligation estimate. We also have a low price money back guarantee that if you've got prices from anywhere else, we will either meet or beat their prices guaranteed.
Last, are there financing options? We have a ton of financing options, and you can go to winchoice.com to see if you qualify. Guys, thanks for those top 6 questions. We hope you found value out of that.
Absolutely, and we want to hear more. If you liked what you heard today, please subscribe.
And if you have any additional questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd be happy to answer them.